In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close out the year in QuickBooks Online efficiently and accurately. Whether you're a seasoned pro at managing business accounts or just getting started, these steps will help ensure that your financials are in top shape as you move into the new year. First, let's start by logging into QuickBooks Online. Open your Chrome browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, input your login credentials, your email and password. It's important that you have secure credentials to protect your financial information, so make sure your password is strong. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to update your company information. Click on the gear icon located at the top right of the screen. From there, navigate to Account and Settings and select Company. Here, you need to verify that your business name, address, employer identification number, EIN, and fiscal year are all correct. If you notice any discrepancies, make the necessary changes and click Save. Keeping this information accurate is crucial for compliance and reporting purposes. Next, we'll reconcile your accounts. On the left menu, you'll see Accounting. Click on it and then click on Reconcile. Select the bank account you want to reconcile. The idea here is to compare the ending balance in QuickBooks to your actual bank statement. This ensures that everything aligns perfectly. If you discover any differences, address them by adding any missing transactions or correcting amounts. Accurate reconciliation is key in maintaining the integrity of your financial data. Once your accounts are reconciled, it's time to review your transactions. Again, under Accounting, head over to the Chart of Accounts. Click on View Register for each account. Take a close look to ensure that all deposits, payments, and transfers have been categorized correctly. This step is vital for clear financial reporting and making sure your accounts reflect your business activities accurately. Moving on, let's review your profit and loss and balance sheet. Click on Reports from the left menu. Run the profit and loss and balance sheet reports. As you review these reports, keep an eye out for any misclassified transactions, unusual balances, or accounts with negative balances. These could indicate errors needing correction before year end. If your business handles accounts receivable and payable, review those next. Navigate to Sales, then Customers, and click on Open Invoices. Verify that all outstanding invoices are accurate. Also within Expenses, check Vendors and then Bills to ensure all unpaid bills are accounted for correctly. Resolving discrepancies now will streamline your processing at year end. For those of you who handle payroll, click on Payroll and then Employees. Double check that all wages, taxes, and deductions have been entered correctly. It's essential that your year-to-date totals align with your payroll records to avoid issues during tax time. Although not mandatory, backing up your data is a wise step. QuickBooks Online already saves your data in the cloud, but for an extra layer of security, you might want to export some reports as PDF or Excel. To do this, navigate to Reports, run the report you need, and then choose Export, selecting either PDF or Excel. Finally, it's time to close the books. Go to Settings, then Accounting, and choose Close the Books. This is where you'll set a closing date. You can also set a password if you want to prevent any changes after year end. This step locks down your financials, giving you confidence as you start a new year. By following each of these steps, you ensure a smooth transition into the new financial year and lay down a solid foundation for accurate reporting and compliance. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy accounting!